Hello, and this is daily recap, and this is July 12, 2024, Friday, and the pair is you, and this is day 56. So, starting with the daily analysis, we can see that the price has tapped into the daily supply, and I was expecting the price to react from this daily to come down to flip this demand, or at least react from it to go further up to take out the daily strong internal daily strong swing high. Anyway, I was expecting a bearish day today because of this strong rejection. After a strong rejection, which means that the price has swept some liquidity here. With that liquidity, I was expecting the price to come down at least to get this daily demand. So that's my expectation for today. So the swing is bearish, internal is bearish, and the fractal is bullish. Price is now in the daily supply. I am strongly anticipating the order flow to shift bearish for the price to take out the weak swing low. This is too much, but for the short term, I can expect the price to come to this demand. Expecting the price to be bearish today, as I'm expecting the price to mitigate this demand to either flip it or react from it. So this is 4-hour chart. Price has respected the 4-hour supply also, which was inside the daily supply, and the internal is now bullish, but the fractal is also bullish. So to confirm the bearish bias in 4-hour, we need at least a fractal break of structure, and that fractal break of structure is almost right here. So either way, if the price is bullish or bearish, the price needs to mitigate this supply, mitigate this demand to fill in some pending orders, and then it can go up. So that was my intention. So I was clearly expecting the price to come down very clearly. Swing is bearish, internal is bullish, small internal is also bullish. So this is a small internal. Price tapped into the extreme supply that was within the daily supply. Thus, the price can now start the bearish order flow to take out the weak swing. That's longer picture. At the same time, price has made a bullish high boss. This can be early sign that the price may take out before a swing high. It's possible because price can come, mitigate the supply, fill in the pending buy orders, go up, take out the strong high. Or it can, second option is come to this demand, make a small reaction, create sell side liquidity, take out the sell side liquidity and switch bearish, and then it can continue that order flow to take out the swing low. So either way, we need to be prepared. So for now, what we know for now is price is going to come down to mitigate this 4-hour demand. So with that information, I'll proceed today. So same H1, this is 4-hour demand. You saw it here, right? It's the same 4-hour demand. This is a swing break of structure on the upside, and so the price has tapped into the 4-hour high time frame POI to to for high probability face these shots, you need to have a medium time frame bearish chalk or a medium time frame change in character. Here we can't. The only change in character will be right here. So in anticipation of the change in character, I'm going to take shots that will come under price tapping into high time frame POI. High time frame POI with a score of at least 4/8. Yeah, it is having medium time frame fractal chalk with the that will be coming soon actually. There is no SMT divergence with no opposing order blocks. So there was no opposing order blocks here. You can see it was very clear. There is this POI, but there is no liquidity. I mean, there is no lid in this leg, so obvious liquidity will be below this one. So I was expecting the price to come down, take this liquidity, and then go. Zooming in, yeah. Okay. There is no the only way that we can confirm the bearish stock is when the price comes below this point, but that will be too late for us to enter shorts. So what can we do? We can wait for the price to take out the Asian high, and then that will create a new low, and then we can expect the price to take out that low, form a fractal bearish chalk, and with that out of flow we can use M5 or M15, whichever gives us entry, and then we can take shots to target this supply. I mean, sorry, this demand. So that's what I mentioned here. The swing is bullish, internal is bullish. There is no POI form to take short. Price is not mitigated as now mitigated the 4-hour supply. Thus, pasty shorts are high probability. It's not now, it's now. There is no POI form to take shots from, thus wait for the price to sweep from buy side liquidity, ideally the Asian eyes, and then make a bearish stop to make shots. Simply put, sweep zones. If the price prints multiple bearish legs, then I will be happy to just follow the like. If without the price, without taking the Asian eyes, can start to form multiple bearish legs. So with that supply chain, I can enter in any one of the supply chain and expect the price to come further down to take out this buy sell side liquidity and get this 4 hours demand. First session update, price of the Asian eyes, and there is a bearish divergence. So ton of confluence that we can expect the price to come down to take out this low. Now I'll wait for the price to change character to bearish, which gives me a ton of confidence to take shots. So this was the low I was expecting to go off so that I can take shots. But unfortunately, I think I went too long. Check. Okay. Okay. I didn't place the position. Yeah, here we go. This is what happened in euro chart. Uh, price actually took the buy side liquidity, but it didn't come down as expected. It kept going up. This is the news candle, 1330 news candle. It went going up and it took out the made an internal infrastructure on the upside. So what I could expect is before indicating the next supply, price will still continue this bullish trend. That's what I could expect, and there was no trades also because uh, there is no manipulations, right? Only if there is manipulations, I could use that manipulation to my advantage and then take trade. But there was no manipulations, so I couldn't take any trades. If the path goes like run, pullback, run, pullback, then I could enter on this any of these pullbacks. That's that's the main idea of my concept. I'm entering on the pullbacks. But here you can see price started here. There is no pullback, one straight push. So obviously there will be no trades. Okay, that's it. But yeah, this was one of the interesting concepts which I saw. It was a trade took by random ICT fellow, but this gave me this opened up my mind a little bit. He saw what I didn't see. So what it actually did is this is 4 hour, right? This is 4 hour. What he actually did is he just followed the order flow. He did not expect the price to come to this POI. He just followed the order flow, and I think this is not even in the discount. So I don't know what was he trying to do, but this is the 4 hour fair value gap. So with this fair value gap, he entered and then took the profits here. Let's see. Yeah, this is the 4 hour fair value gap, and this is the M15 time frame actually. And there was a price took the Asian low before taking the Asian high. It was not clearly seen in the yeah, it is very clearly seen in the H1. Yeah, M15 price actually took the Asian low, and there was some bearish divergence right here. So we just entered with the closing candle that's simply LC1, but 4 hour time frame LC1 is too much. But anyway, he entered with bearish divergence also, bullish divergence, stop order, and then took 2 hour maybe, I don't know. Well, yeah, opened up my mind a bit, but still I need to find a way to attach these kind of concepts into my system so that I can increase the trade frequency in the future, but not now. Anyway, that's all for you today. Nothing big. So I'm off. I was off the chart when I saw there was no manipulation. So day result is no trades, and the revenue is 0. RR gain is 0. Max RR possible is 0. There's no entry time frame. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow on another daily recap of EU. Thank you. Bye.